Today the project that we're going to be doing is on a 2008 Toyota Corolla. We already did the brakes on this one car, but now today we're going to do something a little different. It's the shift lever cable, and what happens is there's a little plastic piece that goes attached to the cable, and it snaps in to where the little lever is on the transmission lever. So what happens is when that piece of plastic goes bad, the cable just pops off. So then you lose complete control. You can't put it in neutral, you can't put it in park, reverse, anything. So it kind of freaks you out a little bit, especially if you're out there in the middle of nowhere. But I'm going to show you guys how to fix that today, and it's no big deal. And it's going to be in that car right there behind me. Okay, it's a 2008 Toyota Corolla. So this seat part here, and here I've already removed most of the stuff, the covers and the panel and everything. And you just need basic tools like I'm showing you right here. And then I'm going to also show you where the actual cable is. Okay, so let me show you the culprit, and it's right here. Okay, that's the shift cable right there. I kind of rigged it a little bit, and what I did was just so I could get the car around until I was waiting for the part to come in. So this is the piece right here, the plastic piece. I just put a piece of plastic tubing, and then I kind of put this little piece of wire around it just to secure it. The part itself is this part right here. If you can see it, it's in the bag right now, but that's the part there. Okay, I'm going to take it out and show it to you guys a little bit better. And you can get this on eBay. It's about $8 to $12 depending upon where you get it. Okay, and again, it is on eBay, easily accessible. Okay, so this is the part itself. Okay, and you can tell it's just a little plastic tube, and then it's got got a ridge around it, and it's a harder plastic than what I put in there because I just put in there just a piece of tube. All right, so the next thing we're going to show you is how to put that on there, and it's really easy. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this off. You guys can see that. I get a screwdriver, and as I said, I'm just going to pop this thing off right here. You guys can see it just comes right out. And it's kind of hard for me because I'm kind of holding the camera and doing this at the same time. So basically that's it. Okay, this is the piece that I put in there, and it's just a makeshift piece of tube. That's all. All right, that's out, and that's it right there. That's the thing that I made. Similar. Okay, so now we have exposed the shift lever, the metal piece right there, and this is the shifter cable. Alright, so it's very stiff, very hard to move around. So I'm going to put that to the bottom, and then I'm going to put on the other piece now that I ordered and came in from eBay. So now I've got the piece here. Let the camera focus on that. That's it right there. And I'm going to put that into there. Okay? So I'm just gonna, sorry I'm blocking the view here, but it's just kind of hard to put it in there. See if you guys can see it a little bit better. It's almost in. So I'm gonna finish popping that in there. Okay, actually guys, I did it wrong. Sorry to mislead you. You first have to pop it into here, okay? And then you're going to push it onto this lever right here, okay? And I'm sorry if my camera is jumbling around it a bit. It's just very uncomfortable. Alright, so with your thumb, push it in, and basically that's it. You're all done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the rest of it on. And that's probably the hardest part, is putting all these covers back on. Alright? They do have, and I'll show you the screws that go in them. There's 4 screws at the front, and then 2 in the very back. Okay, so I'll show you as I put them on. Okay, so I got the cover in place, and when you put it in, you're gonna have to angle it up, put it over this way, and then down, and make sure your emergency lever is up, so that'll go into the slot right here. there's going to be two cables you're going to connect. They're right here. Okay. One of these cables is for the cigarette lighter that's at the front. Okay. And then cigarette lighter accessory. And then the other one is here. And this is for the rear cigarette lighter. That is back there where I'm showing you. Okay, that corner. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect up these two wires. Okay, and make sure you go underneath this like plastic bridge that's here. Okay, so we're going to get that connected up, and then we're going to slip the wires down in there. Okay, I've got those connected. That's the ones that go back here. Okay, and it's a white connector. You can see right there where it's connected. And then you're going to have another set of plugs that comes out. Okay, and these this plug right here connects into the cover that goes over the top. And you're just going to slip it over this like that. It pops into place, and that's going to go connected back here. Right? That's where your other connector goes. It's there. And of course, it's for the cigarette lighter in the front. Alright, so I'm going to connect that up, and then I'm going to show you how to pop that in there. Alright, that's connected in. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to slip this over the top. And if you look here, there's two tabs, one here, one over here. And those just slip in. Okay, and they're going to go down. But before we do that, we're going to put the screws on here